Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to add footnotes in PowerPoint, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and create or open the presentation that you want to add footnotes to. Step 2. Click the area where you want to put a footnote. This can be a text box, a shape, or an image. Step 3. Type a number or a symbol as a superscript to your footnote. You can do this by selecting the number or symbol. This will make the number or symbol appear slightly above the baseline of the text. For example, we will use the number 1 as our footnote indicator. Step 4. Go to the Insert tab and select Header and Footer. This will open a dialog box where you can customize the header and footer of your slides. Step 5. In the Slide tab, mark the footer checkbox. Then input the number or symbol you use as your footnote indicator and the words you want to appear as your PowerPoint footnote annotation. You can also adjust the font size, color, and alignment of your footnote. Step 6. Press Apply. This will add the footnote to the current slide. If you want to add the same footnote to all slides, press Apply to All. You can also use the Apply to button to select specific slides to add the footnote to. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.